Hi, I'm Kim with Motojug Hydration System, here to show you how to connect your tubing to your Motojug. First off, you'll want to remove your lid. Once your lid is removed, I'm going to pop up your spout, remove the short end of your tubing, and you're going to thread that through your spout. Just takes a little bit of force. Once that's through, put it back on your cooler. This also can be adjusted. You can turn it another way, however you need to have that for your tubing. You'll just put your straps back on and you're ready to ride. Another option that you have, and this is an option that my husband actually prefers, is on the Coleman thermos, it comes with an indentation right here. He took a 3/8 inch drill bit and he drilled a hole in there, leaving a 3/8 inch hole, which is the perfect size for the tubing. You'll thread your tubing through. You're going to pull it until you hear a pop, sealing the area. You put that on and strap your straps. Take the bottom piece, connect it, and you're ready to ride. Stay hydrated.